Hi everyone, happy weekend. I hope you are having an amazing day. As you read from the description or the title of this video, I am opening my Rocksbox. I am super excited. Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription. It is $21 per month and you can rent 3 pieces at a time. They have everything like earrings, necklaces, bracelets, rings, you name it. I pretty much usually get earrings, maybe a necklace here and there, but I'm really starting to use this more often because I like to switch out my jewelry, but I don't want to pay full price to get new jewelry pieces all the time. That really adds up. Plus I get sick of things kind of quickly, so I think this is a great service. Before I get unboxing, I want to remind you all that I do have a giveaway going on. It ends in just a few days on the 20th, and the giveaway is to win the new ABH Riviera palette. So I will leave the link to my giveaway video down below where you can learn how to enter and all of that. So Rocksbox comes in this reusable bag, which is really awesome. So since it is a rental service, you do have the option to purchase any items you get. And that $21 that you pay per month can go towards any of the purchases you make, which is pretty awesome. But if you don't keep anything, you have to send it back to get new stuff. So this bag, the fact that it's reusable and they send you a label to ship it back is super awesome. So I'm gonna open this bag. So it's free shipping both ways. And it always comes in this adorable box. I am going to untie it. I honestly can't really remember what I picked. So when you go on their website, which I will leave down below, and I should mention, I do have a referral link that will let any of you guys try this for free if you're interested. So your first month will be completely free. And then after those 30 days, you can decide whether or not to cancel the subscription or continue and get charged $21. So that link will be down below. But when you use that link, you can also browse their jewelry selection. And when you browse, you can add things to your wish list. And I always just get, my stylist picks things directly from my wish list. So sometimes I'll swap things. So you have the option to swap any of the jewelry pieces that you are going to receive. You get about 24 to 48 hours, I can't remember exactly, but about 1 to 2 days to pick the items you want. And I think this month I let them all be what my stylist chose, and I know they're all from my wish list and I like them already. So you can totally customize your box, or you can have it kind of be a surprise based on items you already like. So on top of the box, so it looks like this when you open it. And there is a card on top. It says, "Time to shine." And on the inside it says, "Hi Kitty, thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. The Rudiment Valencia necklace features an evil eye pendant, perfect for warding off evil and attracting good vibes. Layer this fun pendant with other necklaces to amp up the carefree feel. Add subtle edge to your look with these Shelby studs by Slate. The gold points really polish these earrings off. Bring on the shine with an open circle pave hoops. This front-facing style is a fun twist to classic style. Enjoy, Rocksbox." And then it shows all of the pieces over here and their pricing. So when you're a member of Rocksbox, like I mentioned earlier, you can purchase anything you get. If you don't want to send it back, you actually get to purchase it at a much discounted rate. So I will tell you what the actual price of each piece is and then what the member price would be if you want to keep it when I go through the box. So this is the note, and here are all the pieces. And then on the back, there are some tips. Let's see what it says. It says, "What happens next? Rock your stylist picks. Wear your pieces for as long as you'd like." And then it says, "Buy what you love. Purchase your fave with your monthly $21 membership credit." And then send back for more. Use the prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So this lays out exactly what I was trying to tell you guys earlier. And then there is a little care card in here, and it says, "Jewelry care," so it gives you some tips on how to take care of your jewelry. It says to avoid contact with water, perfume, and other chemicals. Take jewelry off when showering, exercising, cleaning, etc. Use soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces. Alright, so now I'm going to open it up. And all the pieces come in a jewelry bag. So this one says Rudiment. I think this might be by them. Alright, so this is a necklace that's supposed to ward off evil. This is cute. So this is by Rudiment. It says, "Rudiment styles are crafted with genuine gold and silver finishes." So that is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on in just a moment. I don't have any jewelry on right now because I knew I was going to be filming this video and I was excited to try my new pieces right away. So this is the Rudiment Valencia necklace. This is a retail price of $80, but you can buy it as a member for $68. So that's a pretty good discount if you wanted to keep it. Still a little pricey, that's why renting it is so much better. And these pieces look brand new always. I've never noticed that these could possibly have been worn before by someone else, like never. All right, so I just put that necklace on. It was a bit of a struggle. The one downside about being single, living alone, is not having someone to help you with jewelry, but I got it. So this is what it looks like. Super cute and dainty, I love it. Super pretty, so I'm excited about this one. Let's see what's next. So this is what the bag looks like. This one just says Rocksbox on it. And these are some pretty earrings by Sophie Harper. I really like Sophie Harper stuff, I've just discovered. So let's see, so these are the Sophie Harper, the front-facing open circle pave hoops. This has retail value of $55, but members can get this for $46, so super cute. Put these on. I really like these. These are super pretty. All of the earrings always come with two different backings, which is super nice too. Just in case you misplace them or if you have a preference. Like I have the metal backings on, but it also comes with like the little like silicone backings. I don't think you could even see in my hand, so little. All right, so let's move on to the next pair. And these are some studs by Slate. I really like these. These are perfect for like every day. So they have like some gemstones with some gold backings in a triangular shape. So these have a retail value of $40. They are the Slate Shelby studs in gold and white howlite. Like I said, the retail price is $40, but as a Rocksbox member, you can get this for $34. So I think these are super cute. I love everything I got. Like this is, it's just so exciting to get new jewelry because seriously, if I actually had to purchase all this at the member price, it's $148. That's a lot of money, and that's less than retail value. So renting stuff is just such a good way to go, and all of it seems brand new. Like you could see yourself. Like I'm not lying. I love this, and I think the necklace is so cute too. I could see myself wearing this all the time. You'll probably see it in like all my upcoming videos. I try and exchange my jewelry like once a month. They do send you a reminder email. They're not like forcing you to check out or anything. They're like, oh, you've had your set for a while. Are you ready to switch out? Like, which I appreciate because sometimes I just need a reminder. So there's the prepaid sticker, the prepaid label for sending it back. So yeah, I just keep it in the box and then I put the box inside that bag and I put it nearby when I'm ready to ship it back. It's so easy. I love that it's free. I mean, I don't know if you're required to send the bags and everything back, but I always do. So those are my pieces. I'm super happy with this month. So again, if you are interested in trying out this service, you can try it for free. I will leave my referral link down below, and normally it is $21 per month. And if you do use my referral link, I do get some credit to use in their shop, so I can use credit to purchase any of these things I have if I really love them. Last month I ended up purchasing those blue earrings I got. I loved those. I seriously wear those all the time. If you watch my videos, you are probably familiar with the earrings I'm talking about. They're like turquoise, so pretty. But yeah, I'm super excited with this box. I think it's awesome. So if you guys have any questions or anything about it, I'm not sure how well of a job I did explaining it, but definitely leave a comment down below and also let me know what is your favorite piece that I got. But to wrap up this video, let's talk about what is on my eyes. So I am trying out the Riviera palette every single day until the 20th when my giveaway ends, so I can kind of show you guys what the winner will receive and show you some looks I came up with. So I did another colorful look today. I was really tempted to go to my go-to like mustard and gold shades, but Anyways, so here is the palette. So I'm just gonna point to the colors I used while you look at this gorgeous piece of work. But I used Coastline, and then, what is this shade again? Monte Carlo, yeah, Monte Carlo in my crease. And then I used Bahamas, this bright pink shade, in my outer corner of my eye. And then I used Seaside, this pretty shimmer. It's like a lilac, lavender type color with the shift on my inner corner of my eyes. So I think it is a fun, colorful look, but not too crazy bright, but it is definitely bright. But it's fine for daytime. Right now it's what, like 1 p.m. or something like that. So I think this palette's so pretty and fun. Definitely good timing with spring approaching. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.